Hi, my name is Jared Appel, and welcome to the Aero Workshop. Today, I'm going to show you the features and applications for Aero's P15C Laser Distance Measure. This laser measure is a must-have for professional builders, real estate agents, and contractors, but it's also a great tool for casual DIY-ers. The tool has a simple one-button control. Just press it once to turn on, measure your distance, then push the button again to lock in your measurement. You can then press and hold for 5 seconds to turn off. It will automatically power off after 2 minutes without use. The laser pen is 5 3/4 inches in length, so it can easily be stored in a toolbox or even in your front pocket. Once turned on, just place it at the start of the distance you want measured and point it at the opposite edge. It will measure any distance from 1.7 feet all the way up to 50 feet. The screen will show you the distance, which is accurate to 1/4 of an inch. If up against a wall, remember to add 5 3/4 inches to your measurement. The P15C works in both imperial and metric units. It can be changed by pressing the button down for 3 seconds. This tool takes 2 AAA batteries, which are included in the package. Thanks for stopping by the Aero Workshop. For more information on this product and more, please visit aerofastener.com.